How to access My Orders. You can access My Orders from anywhere on the website by clicking on your name and selecting My Orders from the drop-down menu. Any order placed on PJ Platinum can be accessed on this page. By default, the orders are sorted from newest to oldest and filtered to look back 1 year. Shown in the list, you will see your order confirmation, the status of the order date, and the order total. Hovering over an order will show a View button and Reorder button. Clicking on Reorder will allow you to quickly add all line items of this order into your cart. Clicking on the View button or on the order confirmation number, you can look at the order details with more information like the order number, your PO number, shipping method, tracking number when it's available, shipping address, as well as a breakdown of all line items on the order. All the products listed in your order are hyperlinked and can take you directly to the product detail page. From the order details page, you can also use the reorder functionality with the reorder button in the top right. For more information on your orders or about PJ Platinum, reach out via pjplatinum@pjpower.com or 1-800-310-4907.